This is Anthony with AA Store Inspection, and we are here at 1145 Hartford Drive in Forest Grove, and we're on the front porch going in through a 3-inch ABS cleanout, and the waistline is the one that's on our right, and the storm is the riser to our left. Check it out.
How many feet?
Oh, we're 20.
You check what out.
This,
what are you sitting on?
This is the first. The indigenous materials.
Okay.
I won't touch them. I know, I've never been able to sit on the job. I mean, we've done tailgates, but this is the first time I've ever got it set up so I could actually spend more, pay more attention to the monitor. You said there's someone inside?
You don't listen to me. You don't pay attention.
Well, you said there is an agent or nobody? It's the son of a...
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm assuming he's an agent, but I don't know for sure.
Oh, okay. I'm covered in gunk. I need a flush.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Just open it.
Yeah, well, I don't want to touch anything. Hi, my name's Anthony. I'm doing the sewer inspection for you.
Okay, awesome.
And I've got about 40 feet out, and my camera's all covered up in gunk. Could you flush the toilet for me, and maybe I could wash it off?
Yeah.
Thanks. There we go. Thanks. That's it. Okay, well, I'll be done here in about 17 feet. Or less. You said over, right? See, I always go by as the crow flies, and it never does do that. I went out and stood in the middle of the street. I know. Sir?
Yes.
Come here. For just a second, look at this.
Another flush?
No, no, no. I just wanted you to see.
Socks on. I win.
I know. 3 feet. I'm getting better at this. Alright, here we are at the city connection at 63 feet. And we'll take another look at the line on our way back. Okay, 63 feet from the front porch here to the city connection. Sewer line looks in great shape, no repairs suggested.